Hey guys, Jill here from Unbound Footprints. Sorry about my voice, I'm battling a little bit of a spring cold here. I want to talk to you today about a build through that I did that was super fun. Challenging at times, but still nonetheless fun. This is the Himiway electric bike Step-Thru cruiser. I decided to purchase this because a friend had recommended it to me. I'd been looking at e-bikes for a while, and this one was a Step-Thru, and it had the fat tires. So I decided this would be the most perfect bike for me to just give it a whirl. It comes pretty much assembled, as you can see there, and I just had to take the handlebar off and grab some extra tools, because we gotta have some tools for this project. So I think I found it. It says accessories. Ooh, doggy, look at this. Nah. Ooh, it's a fancy tool. This is probably where I should have started, but I'm impatient. Some tools. These are the guys I needed right here, these little Allen wrenches. There's all kinds of neat little tools in here. Just like a little tiny socket set. Bunch of Allen wrenches, Phillips, square, and I don't know what this guy is, but we'll figure it out. It's like Christmas. You just keep opening boxes. Ooh, this is my headlight. 2 pedals. And the battery charger. Woo, woo. Comes with the cord and all that, and another manual. Time to get reading, I guess. So I got the handlebars on. It says to adjust it to your preference, but I won't know until I get the wheel on. So I'm gonna flip her over and get that on. So the package says each one has a label left and right on the pedal there. I don't see it, but let's cut it open and see. These are heavy metal. Actually, it says right there. So this is my right pedal. All right. So it says to right side pedal, turn it this way. These have really nice grips on them. They're metal, which is awesome. Okay, that's as tight as I can get it, but it says both pedals should be tightened with a 35 Newton millimeters by using a torque wrench. I don't really know how to do that, so I better read it. Wonder if it teaches me how to do that. Nope. 35 Newton meters. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. We got this handy dandy tool set. I don't know, I have no idea. Oh, this is fun. You're supposed to use a torque wrench. I've seen torque wrenches before. I'm pretty sure they're not any of these. All right, off to the other side. Hold on, I figured it out. It's this little key thing right here. So you just slide it on, hold the pedal, and you turn it. I don't know how much 35 pounds is, but
Don't worry, yes, my husband is letting me do this all by myself. I don't know, that feels pretty tight. It ain't going nowhere. Yep, this one says left, right there. Okay, so we're supposed to install this one going this way. There we go. Spin to win, baby. All right. Torque wrench. Do you just count to 35? Like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What the heck? This tool is stupid. Because, like, you're supposed to go this way, but your tool jinks up. Like, this is not working. But you got to be on that side. Or maybe you can go this way. Nope. Okay, it's tight. I guess if it comes off, I go sailing. Maybe we should do the headlight next. Okay, be right back. Okay, using these tools they gave me, my patience is over. They want you to use one of the Allen keys and one of the sockets at the same time using the same tool that's all hooked together. That's ridiculous. So I went and stole my husband's DeWalt set because I love this thing. It is amazing. I'm going to show you it. I don't sponsor DeWalt or anything, but I should. All right, here you go. This is what we need. This little guy has all the awesomeness. Has a ratchet, an actual ratchet. We need a 10 millimeter. So let's look here. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Okay. And we need one of those. So we're going to use our little tool guy here and the ratchet. Huh. Ready, tidy. So this here is the guard that came with it. Like, it's to keep mud off your face and stuff. It's not in the directions because it's an aftermarket, but apparently it goes under this guy. There was no mention of it. So I get to tear it all apart again. Yay! Not. I cannot wait to ride this thing. It's just like one thing after another. I might not even put it on tonight. I don't know. We'll see. I did notice there is a scratch. I'm still going to roll with it. It's not that big a deal. It's a fender. All right. Back at it.
Well, I'm just about to get ready to head out on my bike. It's morning and it's my favorite time to go for a ride. There's a rooster. So I just hold that. That's my power button. Tells you how much battery you got, how many miles I went this time, what my gear ratio is at, which I can adjust that by these guys right here. I don't need my headlight. This gives me information. And these are my gear shifts. Like, you know, to reset it, you just push it back. And this here changes them. Like, shouldn't do that while you're not riding it. And then this here's my gas if I need it. Yes, I realize I look ridiculous, but better safe than sorry. All right, here we go. And I made it back home unscathed. The helmet worked. Made my hair kind of messy, but that's okay. Thanks again for coming along with me on this build of the Himiway Cruiser Step-Thru bike with the big fat tires. I really enjoy this bike, and it has given me so much mobility to be able to just kind of go and get away and see some awesome scenery. I've snuck up on deer, I've snuck up on a crane. It's been super fun. So I hope you take the time to get one for yourself. I realize that this bike costs quite a bit of money, but hey, Mark Twain said it best, never regret anything that made you smile. And as always, how you living?